Now बचे सेशन 3 IT enabled services of India. IT enabled services of India. IT services are sent at too many places now to need an introduction here. There are many processes that benefit in quality by the use of IT. These services are known as ITs. ITs means बच्चे IT enabled services. Some such services in the IT domain are telecallers, customer care executives, system administrator, technical analyst, programmers, testing engineers, quality assurance engineers, programming managers, design engineers, etc. BPO services. BPO means business process outsourcing. BPO services बच्चे BPO as in BPO services stands for business process outsourcing. This is a sizable source of income for countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Philippines and other Asian countries. Outsourcing here means to giving work up बच्चे Outsourcing here means to giving work up to other people, possibly due to lower cost of operation or better quality or both. This service is often helpful in the following set of industries. Number 1, customer care of big companies. Number 2, financial sector and banks. Number 3, testing of software items. Number 4, healthcare profession. As the domain of IT increases around us, possibly more industries will come under the BPO bracket. Next is BPM. BPM stands for Business Process Management. These all are the name of companies बचे. BPM stands for Business Process Management. This has to do with analysis, reporting, creation, running and management of the process involved in running a company. It has led to great growth within India and in India's reputation internationally. India is now considered a knowledge-based economy and is considered the faster growing major economy in the world. Large amount of foreign investment has also poured into India due to its incentives at growing of startups. It has led also to the growth of employments. There are some reasons for the growth of the BPO market within India. Some of them are: number 1 बच्चे, the work that comes to Indian BPO industry are actual from rich and enterprising countries like USA, Canada and European countries. So this has led to infusion of capital into this business. Thus money acts as a major lure for the employees of this industry. Number 2, the government of India encourages the BPO industry and provides infrastructure and logistic support to the industry and its related people. Many people of India feel indebted to the BPO industry for providing employment opportunities to them. Next is Indians are developing their skills as an educated nation. Many of the skills required by the BPO industry come easy for the educated employees who are many times graduates also. So the BPO industry is lending its hand to provide employment to many of the educated people of India. Next is more on IT BPM industry. This concept of business process may be as traditional as concept of task, department, production and outputs arising from job shop scheduling problems. In the early 20th century, the Indian IT BPM revenue for financial year 2019 has been 177 billion used. It has shown a growth of 6.1% from last year. In the contemporary world economy, India is the largest exporter of IT. Exports dominate the Indian IT industry, constitute about 79% of the industry's total revenue. Now session 3 finished.